Welcome back. Let's check out pre-infusion mode on Meraki Espresso machine. Let's go to settings. Go to settings. And the pre-infusion mode right here. Let's turn it on. We're going to confirm. Pre-infusion mode. Hopefully you guys can see this. Oops. Let's go back. And then we have a 3 bar or 4 bars. You know, let's start. Let's do 3 bar pressure. Okay, let's go back here. And then it's going to be, they ask you for time, 5 seconds all the way down to 15-second pre-infusion. So let's try, just for fun of it, 6 seconds. Okay. Let's go back. All right, so let's give it a try. We should have a 6-second pre-infusion there, and there we go, for pressure. As you can see, the pre-infusion works just fine. So see you guys next time.